Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. So I will do a few videos because I'm testing this strategy. Uh, Let me turn on the aircon a second because it's quite hot. So I'm testing the TrendLine strategy, and here's the trade that I took yesterday, Monday, the 25th of May 2026. And I just closed the trade on Tuesday, 26th of May 2026. The trade um, touched the take profit, and the profit was with zero point 0.5 lots. The profit would have been, because this is a paper trading, so I'm not playing real money. I'm just uh, tracking the trades and testing this strategy. And the profit would have been of $2,000 because I entered the trade at the entry price was 4,554, and the profit level is 4,514. That's $40. So $40 with one lot is 4,000 profit, because it's $1,000 every 10 USD of price change on gold. So with half lot will be half, so $2,000 profit. And it's a trade with a risk reward ratio of, let's say, 1 to 1.5. So I quite risked on this trade, um, but I'm happy because I follow the rules and I follow the execution. So even if we hit the stop loss, we must be happy because we didn't get out of our trading plan and our set of rules. So let me explain you the trade in the simplest way as possible. So yesterday, this is yesterday, okay? So yesterday, Monday, market open. This is Tuesday, today, market open. Okay, I had my trend lines in place, okay, until yesterday. I had a descending red trend line. Let me switch from the 15-minute time frame to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I had in place my red trend line from my latest touch point, which was on the 12th of May to the yesterday 25th of May, and the ascending trend line, the latest touch point was touch point 1 Friday night, and on Monday at market open is the second touch point. So let's go again to the 15-minute time frame so we can visualize better what's happening. Okay, so touch point here and touch point here to here. So I had the break of the ascending trend line, the green trend line here. I had the break of the trend line, and the 15-minute candle closed below the trend line. So that's the signal to entry, and I entered the trade exactly at 12:30 Bangkok time. And okay, and I placed my stop loss above the daily high, which is here. And the so for this strategy, the stop loss must always be above the opposite trend line, where the price that the price broke. So in this case, the green line is broken. The price passed this trend line, and so the stop loss is above the red trend line. I just wanted to yesterday I just wanted to feel a little bit more safe, and so I placed the the stop loss. Luckily, I placed it above not only the red trend line but above the daily high, and it was a good thing to do, because as you can see here, this morning almost touched the stop loss. Would have caused me a loss of about, I think, $1,500 with 0.5 lots. Okay, so let's go. Let's look at the trade. So so I placed the trade yesterday, and immediately the price went against me, and then touched again the entry point, and then went against me and touched again the entry point. And you know, if you always follow the trade at this point, like, you're really thinking like market is playing against me, but actually the market never cares about what you do. So then the price even like start bouncing back and going to my stop loss, and here's when usually you start panicking, you start moving the stop loss. But I didn't do anything, I didn't touch anything for this trade. I really like perfect execution, proud of myself for this. Then again, the price went to the entry point here, and then got bounced again. And during the US session yesterday, the market was closed and did nothing. So I waited. This morning the price started going against me and almost touched my stop loss here. And right there it turned. And why it turned? Because it has been rejected already in this area, and that's why I placed my stop loss right above this point right here, because this point right here is it's very probable that in this point the price get rejected. And it worked, because the price start dropping, and luckily it's my stop loss, my take profit here today at 4:30 p.m. So I stayed in this trade from 12:30 yesterday lunchtime to 4:30 p.m. So I stayed in this trade for 26 hours, and I got the profit. So entry price 4,554 and profit level 4,514. That's $40 change in the price of gold. With the 0.5 lot sizing, it would have made me $2,000. So we can enter this in the book. So sorry, put it here. 0.5 lot, $2,000 profit. Okay, so now on the account we are up $2,000. This was not a real trade, is simulation. Okay, paper trading. Why? I already lost a bunch of money with real accounts, and now I just want to like test out this strategy in the coldest way as possible. I'm trying to improve myself. So not excitement or disappointment or anything for this trade. Only a few comments, perfect execution, and proud of myself. I stayed in the trade until the end, didn't change stop loss, didn't do crazy re-entry, didn't do double entries, so I'm cool with this. Wrote all $2,000, theoretically, of course, because again, this is paper trading. Okay, just want to remind you that trading is a risky activity. Uh, 98% of the people who trade in the market lose money. So this is not for everyone, guys. Thank you so much for the attention, and I'm done for today. And I will look at the market again, maybe in the US session, just to change my trend lines. And I will show you how I choose the entry point maybe on the next video. This is the TrendLine Strategy that I learned from Tori Trades, a US trader, um, and that my trading partner and coach Rick Ray um, taught me. Taught me. Um, Sorry again for my English, guys. I'm Italian, so uh, I might have mixed some words or my pronunciation, but what is important is that the trade is explained correctly. And if you have any question, please leave a comment, and I will try to answer in the next video. Like and subscribe if you want. Thank you so much, and have a great trading day, and happy profit to everyone.